Brad Johnson here from johnson.audio, and today I have a confession to make to you. I am human. I made a mistake. I made a video called Pro Tools versus Logic, the edit window, and within that video I said that Logic does not have clip gain, and someone was kind to point out in my comments that there is definitely clip gain in Logic, and I checked and it is. It is right over there in the inspector window when you're in Logic, and you know what? I have been working in Logic for a long time and I just never saw it. I just never knew to look for it, never cared to look for it, and it was right there in front of my face the entire time. So I made that mistake of the fact that there is clip gain in Logic. However, now, because of that mistake, I get to present to you a new video of Logic versus Pro Tools, the clip gain. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you that I am human. I do make mistakes. This channel is not created because I want to present to you like I'm a guru that knows everything. I don't. There's a lot that I'm still learning. I am along this journey with you. There's always more to know. And even the simplest things you may be missing, even if you've been doing this for a long time. So that's why it's always good to remain humble and to listen and to know that there's always new things to learn. So hopefully this channel can teach you some new things. If you've been around the block a few times. If you're brand new, then you get to know there's clip gain in Logic right out the gates and make the same mistake I did years down the road. So I'm just going to jump right into it. All right, I have a Logic Pro 10 session open here. I also have a Pro Tools session over here. I just have an overheads track for the example, and I got called out on one of my videos. I had someone leave me a comment and they're like, how have you been working in Logic for so long and never knew that there was clip gain in the inspector window right over here? Honestly, when I needed to use gain, I usually just used the gain plugin if I needed it, and it's just my workflow. And honestly, yeah, I was inefficient, but it's just a lesson to be learned that we don't know everything. And I'm not going to claim to know everything, because there's just so much to learn in this world, and if I knew everything, then what fun would living be? So I learned something simple here, and you know, there it is, clip gain for you. But now I'm going to talk about the difference between this clip gain and Pro Tools clip gain, because I still like clip gain in Pro Tools, and not just because I want to be stubborn. I use Logic for a long time, and I still love Logic for many reasons. I do use Pro Tools now as my standard DAW. I just feel like it's just better because, you know, it's the industry standard. It might not be the industry best, but so far still, if you work with a lot of different studios and stuff, Pro Tools is the one. So I just feel like being proficient in it is a good idea. So I'm going to explain to you why I still like clip gain here in Pro Tools over clip gain here in Logic. So let's say that I want to only do clip gain on a certain part of the track. You wouldn't normally do this with overheads. It might be something you do with vocals. Maybe there's a really dynamic vocal performance. You kind of want to even it out. So you would, do different, clip gain at different sections. So I'm just going to split this. And now say I want to do clip gain on this. I go ahead and boost it up a dB. But here's the thing is, if I'm working on a different region here, I can't see the change I made just visually without having to click and then look over here in the inspector window. This is one of my biggest gripes with Logic, is the fact that I can only see one track at a time. If I go over here to Pro Tools, now if I were to do the same thing, I can see now the clip gain changes that I make per clip. I don't have to sit there and look over here and flip between them. Now, if you don't want to see clip gain, or you don't want to see the name of the file, you can go to View, Clip, Name, get rid of that. View, Clip gain info, it's gone. Why would you want to do that? Maybe you're working in Beat Detective or something and you don't need clip gain, you don't need to know those things, so you can get rid of it. Kind of save your eyes from seeing too much information, so you can kind of get the same vibe as Logic, but you have that option. So Pro Tools still, in my opinion, better when it comes to this particular thing, but it's good to know that there's a clip gain right here in Logic. Oh my goodness, it's kind of those things where it's so simple and it's been right in front of my face for so long. I can't believe I haven't seen it, but what can you do? You move forward, you learn. That's what's fun about doing this, because not only are you learning from me, but I'm also learning from you, and that's a beautiful win-win relationship. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, or you want to forgive me, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. To all my other subscribers, I appreciate your continued support. Leave me a comment below because I do read every single one, good or bad. I love them all, and I will respond to every single comment. I thank you again for watching this video. I am Brad Johnson at johnson.audio, where I just want to help you create music that people love. I will see you on the next video. Bye.